Hey guys, Common Shorts Gamer. You know what I found out? EA like to suck on Microsoft's stick. By Microsoft, I mean Xbox. You wanna know why? You know, I was just on the PlayStation, and I said, oh, let's open some packs. The packs that I got were so crap. You want to prove to you that EA suck on Microsoft's stick? I'll prove it to you right now. Alright, look. I'm on the PlayStation, as you can see. I got all of that junk right there. I'm on the PlayStation. Alright, so let's do this. Look and see for yourself. Look at that. Absolute rubbish. The guy's Japanese and he sucks. No rare. No rare. The only rare guy is this guy. And he's 15% arm. What do I need his arm for? Look at it. Again. One rare. And he looks like a prick. Look at him. Can you see his eyes? I can't see his eyes. Black Asian. Jesus. No racism. Absolute garbage pack. And last pack, I'm not going to see any informs or whatever. You see? Look at that. No rare. None of them are rare. They're all pricks. Packs on PlayStation 4 are so bad. They're absolutely crap. Now, let's go on to Xbox One. First pack. And just so you know, it's Xbox. There you go. It's Xbox. First pack. There you go. My point proven. There you go. Look at that. First pack. And a black card. And this guy. That's first pack. EA are literally sucking on Xbox's dick. Microsoft with their big American dick. And then Sony with their tiny Asian dick. But Xbox One has better packs than PlayStation. Just proved my point. I just proved it.